Hello viewers, welcome to Senior College Mathematics. In this series of teachings, we have college geometry, plane and circle. Lesson 18, chord properties of a circle, part 3. And we have theorem 6. If a straight line touches a circle and from the point of contact a chord is drawn, the angles which the chord makes with the tangent are equal to that in the alternate segments. In this diagram, SAT is a line with point of contact at A. Then you have a chord AB. AB is a chord. So this angle S1 is equal to the angles in the alternate segments S2 and S3. Given a circle with tangent SAT at A, that is the point of contact, and chord AB, dividing the circle into segments A, P, B. A, P, B is one segment, A, Q, B. A, Q, B, another segment. The major segment and the minor segment. So A, P, B is alternate to angle T, A, B. A, P, B is alternate to T, A, B. That is segment A, P, B is alternate to angle T, A, B. To prove that angle T, A, B is equal to angle A, P, B, and angle S, A, B is equal to A, Q, B. Construction. Draw the diameter AD. So AD is A diameter. Join BD. This is B and D. You join them together. Proof. The procedures to be adopted. S1 plus Y is equal to 90 degrees. That is the whole of this angle. The sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Tangent perpendicular to radius, the point of contact of a tangent and a radius. The angle formed is 90 degrees. Also, angle ABD, ABD is equal to 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle, since AD is a diameter, this angle is angle in a semicircle and it is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, S2 plus Y is equal to 90 degrees. This triangle ABD is complementary because this angle is 90 degrees. So if you add the two other angles, S2 and Y, the sum is equal to 90 degrees. Look at the first equation and the second equation. They have the same right hand side. By implication, if you equate S1 plus Y equal to S2 plus Y, you are going to have S1 equal to S2. You have S1 equal to S2. Now if you check S2 and S3, they are in the same segment. Hence, S2 is equal to S3. Put together, you have S1 equal to S2 equal to S3. Therefore, angle TAB is equal to angle APB. Also, angle SAB is equal to 180 degrees minus S1, angles in a straight line. and that is also equal to 180 degrees minus S3. From this place, S1 equal to S2 equal to S3. S1 equal to S3 have been proved, and what you have here is equal to angle AQB. You have the reason. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. With this, we have proved theorem 6. Examples 75. In the figure below, PT is a tangent to the circle ABCT. BA is equal to BT and angle ATB equal to 82 degrees. Calculate angle BCT. That is this angle. Let us take the solution. Solution. To get the required angle, first we need to get this angle, and for you to get this angle, you need this angle, which is equal to 82 degrees, alternate segment. In triangle ABT, we were told that BA is equal to BT. It means this angle A and angle T, they are base angles and they are equal. So in that triangle, you add the three angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle T. You have the reason. So you can replace A with T or replace T with A. So here we replace T with A, and you have angle A plus angle B plus angle A again equal to 180 degrees. 2 times angle A plus angle B, which is 82 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. You have it in this form when you transfer this to the right hand side, and you have 2 times angle A is equal to 98 degrees. To get angle A, divide both sides by 2, and angle A is equal to 49 degrees. Look at angle C and angle A. They are angles in opposite side of a cyclic quadrilateral, and when you add them, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have this result. You replace angle A with what it stands for. To get angle C, which is BCT, you transfer 49 degrees to the right hand side, and you have 131 degrees. Therefore, angle C, written using 3 letters notation, that is angle BCT, is equal to 131 degrees. Example 76. PQS is a tangent to the circle QRS. Calculate angle SQS. That is this angle, and it is equal to this angle in the alternate segment. So we need this angle first, and that is by considering triangle QRS. If you add the 3 angles in that triangle, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You replace angle Q and S with what they stand for, you have this result. After simplification, you have this result. To get angle arrow, you need to transfer this angle to the right hand side. After subtraction, you have 77 degrees. It follows that angle QRS, writing this angle using 3 letters notation, is equal to SQS. and that is 77 degrees. Angles in alternate segments. Example 77, in the diagram below, TS is a tangent to the circle PQRS. If PR is equal to PS and angle PQR equal to 117 degrees, calculate angle ROST. ROST. Let's see how to get the required angle. Solution: we are to get angle ROST, and it is equal to this angle. And for us to get this angle, we need to get this angle before this angle with the help of 117 degrees. In the chord QPRS, angle Q plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees. You have the reason. You replace angle Q with 117 degrees. You have this result. To get angle S, you transfer 117 degrees to the right hand side, and you have 63 degrees after subtraction. So we know this angle. In order to get this angle is needed, and it is equal to this angle, the two base angles. In triangle PRS, the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angle R is equal to angle S. You have the reason. So, and both angles are equal to 63 degrees respectively. So if you add the three angles in triangle PRS, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have this result. Angle P is equal to 54 degrees after transferring this to the right hand side and subtraction. So therefore, angle ROPS is equal to 54 degrees. It follows that angle ROST, the required angle, is equal to angle ROPS, and that is 54 degrees. Angles in alternate segments. Example 78. In the figure below, ST is a tangent to a circle PQRS. Calculate angle PSR if SR is equal to QR. This is the required angle, and it is equal to the sum of the two sub-angles. Solution. First, we need to get this angle part of the required angle. And to get that angle, this angle is first needed, which is equal to 44 degrees. Alternate segment. So this angle is known. But in order to get this angle is needed, which can be obtained with the help of this angle. So we need this angle from triangle SQR. The sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees, noting that the base angles are equal. Two of the angles are equal, that is S and Q. You replace them in this form and you have this result. Angle R is therefore equal to 180 degrees minus 88 degrees, and that is 92 degrees. Now that we know this angle, we cannot get this angle because their sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have the reason. why it is so. So angle P plus 92 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and angle P becomes 180 degrees minus 92 degrees, and that is 88 degrees. Now that we know this angle, we can now get this angle by looking at triangle QPS. The three angles, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. You replace angle Q and P with what they stand for, and you have this result. Therefore, angle S is equal to 180 degrees minus 119 degrees, and that is 61 degrees. So this angle is known, this angle is known. Therefore, angle PSRO is equal to 61 degrees plus 44 degrees, and that is 105 degrees. Example 79. In the figure below, PQ is a tangent to a circle MTN at T. What is the size of angle MTN? MTN, that is angle S. To get this angle, we have to consider triangle MTN. This angle is needed, which is equal to 62 degrees alternate segment. In triangle MTN, if you add the three angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. You have it in this form and this result. Angle S becomes 180 degrees minus 114 degrees, and that is 66 degrees. Therefore, angle MTN denoted by S is equal to 66 degrees. End of lesson 18. Thanks for watching and learning. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Peter Kos. Lastly, if you are not saved, your life is in crisis, your life is in trouble. To avoid all of that, you have to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ and confess Him as your Lord and personal Savior every day of your life. If you are saved already, congratulations, live righteously and be prepared, because on the last day, some will be taken and some will be left. Be good to yourself, stay out of trouble, study your books, do the needful at all times, flee every appearance of evil, don't defraud others to make money, find something good and genuine to do with your hands and your brain, and the Lord will bless you. Goodbye and stay tuned.